Hello everyone! At sa mga katulad kong mahilig manood ng BL series and movies, I'm Jen. And I'm here para i-review yung mga gusto nyong panoorin na BL series and movies. So this review is in Tagalog but I will translate it in English. So if you don't understand Filipino, then skip until the English version of the video. So for today's video, let's talk about Tokyo in April. But before I proceed, I just want to warn you that this video contains spoiler. That means I'm gonna talk about the episodes and what happened until the end of this drama. So this video is for people who want to know if the drama is worth watching and for those people who doesn't like sad ending. Because that's me. I don't watch it if it's gonna be a sad ending. So, this is my first ever video. I hope you support guys by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell below para updated kayo sa mga bagong reviews ko. So, please continue watching. So, the title is Tokyo and April, also known as Shigatsu no Tokyo wa. I don't know kung tama ba yung pagkakabigkas ko in Japanese, but yan po yung title. Country is Japan. Drama romance series. Mayroon po itong 8 episodes and every episode is may 30 minutes duration. Ang kwento po ito is tungkol kay Takizawa Kazuma and Ishihara Rin. So, nag-start yung story nung bumalik si Kazuma ng Tokyo galing Amerika para magtrabaho sa isang company. And doon nakita niya ulit si Ren. So, si Ren po pala is ang kanyang high school best friend and first love. First time nila magkita ulit after 10 years. So, sobrang happy ni Kazuma na makita ulit si Ren. So, si Kazuma po dito is nag-hope na magkalapit sila ulit ni Ren. Kaso, every time na tinatry ni Kazuma na mapalapit kay Ren at pag-usapan ang past is umiiwas si Ren na pag-usapan. So, yung about sa kanilang dalawa and about sa nangyari sa past. So, parang nagtataka si Kazuma kung ano ba talaga ang nangyari 10 years ago before siya pinadala ng mama niya sa Amerika. So, si Kazuma is galing Amerika dahil pinadala siya ng mama niya 10 years ago. Hanggang sa one night, may event sa company nila and nalasing si Ren. So, hinatid po siya ni Kazuma sa apartment niya. And doon may nangyari sa kanila. And doon na nag-start silang magkalapit ulit hanggang sa may mga events na nangyari. Hindi ko na po iisa-isahin yung mga series of events kasi wala na pong thrill at wala na po kayong mapanood kung sasabihin ko lahat. Pero huwag mag-alala, hindi naman po boring yung mga events and tipong hindi naman masyadong stressing yung mga series of events bawat episode. So, carry lang. So, nadagdagan pa na na-meet ulit ni Ren, yung mother ni Kazuma, and nalaman ng mama ni Kazuma na nagkikita silang dalawa. So, nadagdagan yung stress ni Ren. So, napagdesisyonan niyang layuan si Kazuma at hindi na makipagkita. So, si Kazuma po dito is hanap ng hanap kay Ren hanggat sa nakipag-meet po si Kazuma sa kaibigan ni Ren kasi alam niya kung nasan si Ren at doon na ikwento ng kaibigan ni Ren ang mga nangyari 10 years ago. So, before siya nagpunta ng Amerika kung ano yung nangyari 10 years ago. Kayo na po bahala alamin kung ano yung mga nangyari and paano orin nyo na lang po. So, pagkatapos po nun, sinabi ng kaibigan ni Ren na nasa office ngayon si Ren. So, pumunta si Kazuma sa office dahil para puntahan si Ren and nagkita sila ulit at doon nakapag-usap sila and nalaman niya yung mga nangyari 10 years ago. And nalaman din ni Ren kung ano yung feelings talaga ni Kazuma 10 years ago. And nagkabati sila. So, fast forward. And so, yung nangyari is nakipagkita silang dalaw sa mama ni Kazuma para ipaalam ang kanilang relasyon. Which is tinanggap naman ng mama ni Kazuma. So, at the end po, sila po nagkatuluyan and happy ending yung story. So, overall, maganda po yung story. And nag-enjoy ako. May mga hot scenes din. Ewan ko ba, I don't know kung ako lang. Pero, gusto ko yung may mga hot scenes sa BL series. And, hindi po ako na-bored sa mga episodes. May mga series kasi na nabu-bored ka sa gitna ng story. But, syempre, dahil curious tayo sa ending at syempre, naumpisan na kaya talagang tatapusin na lang kahit, na-bored ka na. But may mga series din talagang na-bored ka na kaya hindi matapos-tapos. But this one, guys, is hindi naman boring. Hindi din ganun ka-common yung story. So, may pagka-unique din yung story. And so, I think safe sabihin na I recommend the series para sa mga ayaw ng mga sad ending and para sa mga ayaw ng bitin. Kasi may mga series talagang bitin yung ending, you know. But this one is really good kasi pinakita ho sa, sa ending na sila yung nagkatuluyan and naging okay sila, naging legal sila sa mami ni Kazuma. And uh, sa last po is nag-move in silang dalawa. So, parang para sa akin hindi bitin yung story. So, just watch it. I recommend it. So, move on na tayo sa English version of my video. So before I start, I just want to inform you guys that I'm not that good in speaking English. So if there's any grammatical errors, I'm so sorry, but I will try my very, very best. So the story is about Takizawa Kazuma and Ishihara Rin. So the story starts when Kazuma returns to Tokyo from America and reunites with his close friends from middle school, Rin. They haven't seen each other for 10 years. So guys, I finished the series swiftly because I really like this story. I didn't get bored in the middle, which is good. What I mean is, there's some series that you get bored in the middle of an episode and you want to stop watching, but you can't because you already started and you're curious about the ending, so just continue watching it. So good thing about this series is I'm always excited for the next episode. That means it's really good, if you're excited for the next episode. So it's good. And that is why I finish it quickly. And there's also some hot scenes in this series, which is another plus points for me. So guys, let's proceed about the ending, which is the biggest spoiler alert. So it's a happy ending at the end of the series. They move in together, so that's the biggest spoiler. So thank you guys. So see you guys for more videos. Please support by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell below. And if you want to recommend some series, just comment the title below and I'll try to watch it and make a review. So thank you guys. See you on my next video.